All right, hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN on your Mac. Now a VPN is very useful to have because it's going to allow you to browse the web securely because it basically masks your IP address. And in my opinion, a VPN is worth the investment. It helps keep your data and your privacy secure. Now there's many ways to set up a VPN. In this video we're going to be using a service called Nordvpn. It's a service I've been using for a long time. It's very cheap, fast, and reliable. Plus they have a very nice macOS application that makes it very easy to use. So the first step is to actually install the VPN. I'll have a link to Nordvpn in the description down below. And basically you're going to want to go to get Nordvpn up at the top here. Now there's 3 different plans you can choose from. You can get the 2-year plan, 1-year plan, or 1-month plan. And they also have these options here, the NordPass Premium and NordLocker Premium. You can add those if you want, but if you're just using the VPN, then you can uncheck these and just use the VPN if you want. All right, so after you've gone through the payment process and everything, it's going to give you an option to download the Nordvpn app. Now, if it doesn't show you the option, you can actually just go to the macOS App Store and download the Nordvpn Ike application. This is the application that you can use to automatically connect yourself to different VPN locations. Now, once you actually install the Nordvpn Ike app, you're going to be presented with this little window here. What you want to do is go up to the top right and click login, and this is going to bring you to the login page. You're going to want to go ahead and click on your account, and then it's going to say logged in successfully, and it's going to ask you if you want to open the Nordvpn Ike app. You're going to want to click open Nordvpn Ike application right here, and now you can see it's saying connect now or pick a country, or you could hit the quick connect button. If we hit the quick connect button, it's going to ask us to enter our keychain password, and it's also going to want to add VPN configuration for your Mac. We do want this to be allowed because this is how we can have Nordvpn hook into our macOS system. So let's go ahead and click allow and then type in our password here. And now you're going to see that it says protected here at the top left, and we have this little green location indicator that says United States. So now we are actually officially using a VPN on our Mac. And just to test this out, if we look at the top of this website here, let me just zoom in. We're going to see now it's showing a Nordvpn IP address, and it's showing our status as protected. Now, if we were to not use our VPN, so let's go ahead and try and disable it real quick. Go to our desktop and let's go ahead and click on disconnect, and let's go ahead and type in our password again. Now it's showing that it's unprotected here. And if we go back to the Nordvpn website and we go ahead and refresh, now it's going to show my actual IP and my status as unprotected. Of course, I blurred out my IP address here because I don't want to share that. But basically, as you can see, when we use a VPN, we have a masked IP address. So that way all of our private information is more secure. And that is pretty much how you set up a VPN on your Mac. And of course, if you wanted to change the location that your VPN is at, you can do this by clicking on the left hand side here. Let's say we want a VPN and set our location to be in Costa Rica. We could type in our password here, and now we have the green indicator on Costa Rica, which means if we go back to our browser and we refresh our page here, we're going to see our status is protected, and we now have a IP address that is located in Costa Rica. So that is basically how you set up a VPN on Mac with Nordvpn. Again, if you want a link to Nordvpn, I'll have a link in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.